If you have been going to Planet Fitness for a long time and you've not been checking your checking account for transactions, you probably would want to watch this video. Hello guys, this is Kashan and I have previously made a video on Planet Fitness versus Crunch Fitness, whether you should join which gym based on your preferences. I got a lot of love on that video. But based on my recent experience with Planet Fitness, I found one more reason why you should think twice before joining Planet Fitness, or at least know this beforehand. Now, one fine day I was going to the gym as usual. I pulled up my Planet Fitness app and I checked in. But I found a warning message that your recurring payment method is not working, and it just went away. And I thought this is just probably a glitch or something, and I was able to check in successfully. It worked out, and end of the day, end of the month, I checked my checking account statements and credit account statements, and what I found out was I have been consistently charged a $30. Yes, you heard it right. $30 for 2 months as a late fee charge on my account. So I brought this up to the front desk and I asked them that I have been charged $30 for 2 months, and the reason for that was that they tried to transact from my checking account. They were not able to pull up the needed money, and they ended up taking that money out from my credit card instead. I requested the front desk that if I can get this refunded because it was literally not my fault, and typically the good gyms, typically they email you 3 days or the day of transaction. If they're not successfully able to pull up the payment, they send you an email and ask, hey, we were not able to make this transaction, and if you can please check your account, make sure that you have enough balance, or make sure there's no other hurdle in between, so we can successfully do that and your recurring payment goes through. But there was no such thing. It was just one day the message popped up for like a split second and it just went away, and I thought that everything is fine. And they charged me like in total $60, and if I was not able to check, who knows, maybe they would have kept charging me and I wouldn't know a thing. Now I want to tell you 2 action steps that you need to do right now if you don't want to be in my shoes sometime in the future. And before I tell you that, what I want you to do right now is hit that subscribe button. Step number 1, once in a month, especially before your actual recurring payment time period, just a few days before that, just go check your Planet Fitness app. Go to the top left on the profile icon, go to the my information, and after that check your billing and payment, where you'll see the 2 payment methods, and make sure that your bank account is updated and current. Number 2, make sure that you once in a month start checking your checking account statements and credit account statements, and make it your habit. You will be surprised how many transactions happen randomly, and if you don't check it, the bank just let them through, and without you knowing, your credit card statements go up, and most of the times those purchases are either gym or anything else that you didn't even make. And now a bonus tip. What if you see a transaction from your gym, whether it was a late fee or something that you did not recognize? What are the action steps for you to do? Now, I would say do not dispute the payment. And I repeat, do not dispute the payment from your checking or credit card account. Here's what I want you to do. As soon as you notice that, just go to the front desk and ask them respectfully, hey, I was checking my account on a monthly basis and I found this transaction. I checked that the recurring payment method is updated in the app. What can you do to refund the money for me? And most of the gyms, they would refund it back to you. And let's say if they do not refund it to you, ask them that, hey, if my checking account is not working or the payment is being declined, I want to get charged on my credit card instead and earn some points. So you can update your payment method to a credit card and they will happily do it for you. And this is the worst case scenario. And guys, if you've experienced anything like that before, please comment down in the comment box below. And this is one of the reasons why I like Crunch Fitness better than Planet Fitness. Crunch Fitness, they always tell you ahead of time, they email you, they try to text you, they try to call you, and hey, your payment method is declined, so you are up to date on your payment method. And if you want to check out the difference between the Crunch Fitness and Planet Fitness, check out this video right here, and I will see you next week.